tonight, we wanted to go Southern, super Southern. And if we're going super Southern, we're gonna fry stuff. So tonight, we're frying everything. We got fried pickles, fried okra, we got cheese bombs, which are egg rolled wrappers stuffed with cheese, and fried green tomatoes. When I'm making fried green tomatoes, I like to season every step of the process. So we start with sliced green tomatoes, hit them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Next, we're gonna dredge them in some cornstarch. After that, we're gonna hit them in some buttermilk that I like to season up with just a little bit of St. Andrew's Pepper Company cayenne pepper sauce. And from that, we're gonna coat them up real good, plop them right in the fryer.
The whole reason we're doing these taste tests is to figure out what kind of food goes good with the beers we're gonna brew. Tonight, everything's fried, so we wanna know what beers you like to drink with your fried food. Let me know in the comments.
So what do you guys think? Is this Southern enough for you? Let us know in the comments what Southern fried treats you like to eat.